Hello and welcome back. So in this lecture we will explore our second gig and know how we can do this. So when you go back to the Canva, you can see here YouTube thumbnails, which is our second gig. Later I will show you how you can do that. So click on switch to buying and search YouTube thumbnails. So right now there is only 6,000 services available. So look at this. I will do the best YouTube thumbnails in 1 hour. So 1,000 plus review. So right now 9 orders in queue. Basic package is $10, standard package is $40, and premium packages is $90, $110. So scroll down a little bit, and last delivery is 6 minutes ago. So FAQ section. So let's look at the second gig. 3 orders in queue. Basic $5, one eye-catching thumbnail. In standard packages, 3 eye-catching, and premium 6 eye-catching. So now go back to the home page and click on switch to selling. And now let's see how can we create our YouTube thumbnails. So already loads of templates here. Let's use some templates and also create pics for our gig. Let's choose this template. I will create YouTube thumbnails in 1 hour and add some pictures. So add some pictures. So our first thumbnail is ready and it looks good. So download this. Now create other two pics for our gig. So our pictures are ready, and in the next video we will create our YouTube thumbnail gig.